This is Ann Hoffner. I'm a citizen scientist helping with the Scudic Institute Project ASCO, and I'm here today to help to show how to count holdfasts in the quadrant in the actual intertidal zone. So this is the first step that we're going to do. I'm going to show you how to differentiate holdfasts so that we can get an accurate count in the quadrant. Okay, so this is a holdfast, but it's a big one and we need to figure out whether it's actually one or whether it's more. So the way you differentiate is if you can stick your finger between seaweed individuals and right down to the rock, then you would have more than one holdfast. But this, there isn't anything. All right, we're looking all around. The holdfast is continuous. All right. And here we have individuals that are separated by a good distance, so that's fairly easy to count. There's nowhere that we can stick our finger in between the individual ones, but there's a gap between the two holdfasts. And so we go about doing like that. We go about with the various holdfasts and seeing if they're separate or together. These two are pretty easy. I can stick a whole finger between them, okay? And then I stick my finger between this and the next holdfast. But then, see, I've got this, and I can start to stick my finger between. And that's where you have more than one holdfast. It may actually look like one, but it's actually two. What I do before I start with the actual count is I look at my quadrant and I pick one corner that looks good to start with, and I count out from there so that I don't double count any of the individuals. And I'm going to choose this corner because it looks a little easier to go. So I need to differentiate the holdfasts, as we had said before. So in this case, I've got, starting in very far corner, I've got one individual, and I flip it out when I've counted. And I have a second one, that's number 2, and I try to flip that out so I know I've got it. And here's one, number 3. We've done with that corner. We just want to make sure that there's nothing else that we're missing underneath. Okay, we can move to this corner. And here we have a little one. That's 4. And we have, this one is a single holdfast. That's 5. We've got 2 holdfasts here, so that's 6. And we've got 7. And this is important. This is on the side of a rock. We want to make sure that we find those. That's number 8. And this one is on just underneath inside the quadrant, so we would count that. That's number 9. And then we're going to look and see if there's anything we've missed. Looks pretty good.